What would I suggest to someone who wanted to start investing but didn't have a lot of money? I would suggest that you just start. A lot of investors get in their own way. I want to invest, but I don't have enough money. I'll start investing later when I have more money. No, later will be too late. Investing is a long game. You start when you're 20 or 30. You don't start when you're 50. You have to start early, even if it's with a little bit of money. And if you're sitting there saying, I have absolutely no money, then you need to figure out a way to make more money. And you need to spend less money. Everyone who is lower middle class says, I don't have any money, there isn't any extra money, I'm paycheck to paycheck. I guarantee you if we sat down together, we could come up with a way to get you at least $50 per month. Cancel this, stop buying that, live a little bit more below your means. You could get one of those power washers and put up signs in your neighborhood. Hey, I'll power wash your deck, your driveway, whatever. Make a little extra money. There are ways to do it. If you really, truly, 100% are paycheck to paycheck and there isn't a single dollar left over to spare, use this time to learn. So when that money does come in, you're not sitting there going, oh, the money's here, but I don't know how to. Have a plan. The minute that money starts coming in, you know exactly what to do. So research, study, learn. Every other finance content creator on this platform is trying to sell you something, not me. All you have to do is go right here, click on the menu, which is right here, and all of these resources are 100% free, including the course. There's not even an email sign up. Second, even if you could only put $50 a month into an S&P 500 index fund for 30 years, you would end up with $100,000. That does not seem like a lot. It does not seem like it's anything close to what you would need to retire because it isn't. However, if you were to save $50 a month for 30 years, you would have around $18,000. Well, 104,000 is way better than the 18, huh? You start with what you can start with, and over time, you move that number a little bit higher. Maybe you find out that, hey, you've got another $25 that you can start investing. So now you're investing with 75. Do two things here. You can look at those little teeny dividends coming in and that little teeny growth coming into your portfolio and go, oh my God, what am I doing here? This is such a waste of time. Or you can say, hey, I'm gonna let this motivate me. If you have a consumer mindset, try to adapt an investor mindset instead. Do I really need these shoes or do I just want them? They're $100. I could put that into my stock portfolio instead. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Little amounts do add up. No, your Starbucks habit isn't the reason that you cannot afford a house. But going out and buying little things, little knickknacks here and there, definitely could be preventing you from having an investment portfolio, which means you could retire earlier because everyone agrees that work sucks. No one wants to work until they die. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors always smash that follow.